Good, just relax. And relaxed.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Relax.
Oh my god!
This one here. Boom. And go up just a little bit. Good. Okay.
And deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Breathe out. Nice. Good. Drop again.
Let your head drop. That's perfect. There you got that. Drop. That's it. That's all.
Nice deep breath in for me, Holly. And out. Good. That's the one.
Okay, here we go. Ooh. I'm gonna pull. Bear with me. Good.
What's happening? Okay. Lose. सारा बॉडी फ्री करो फिर.
Good.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Good. You good? Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Good.
There will be no twisting of your head whatsoever. So watch the chin as it goes up. And there's no twisting, so there's no chance of getting hurt. And there's no twisting, just the chin comes up.
Oh.
And so we're able to move those key bones that we analyzed on the...
हड्डी बजा दी महाराज. मैंने ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट अपने करियर में अभी तक नहीं देखा.
Deep breath in. Breathe out. Nice.
Okay. एक लंबा सांस लेने से. Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Move your toes. Oh my gosh, and relax.
Let it go. Wiggle your left big toe for me.
Breath in. All the way out. Good, other side for me. So I'll lay back here just a bit. Nice deep breath in. Okay, very good.
If I just do that, how does that feel? So far. Bring that arm to there. Okay. And hold there nice and tight. Okay? Yeah?
Here. Relax here.
All the way up into the thoracolumbar. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Okay, just let me have you breathe. That's it. Crack addict's gonna love you too.
Let's get 7. 7 on the left.
So you're just gonna let the head drop this way. Oh, I'm trying. the side for me. Very good. I'm just going to come in. Lean your head right into my forearm, please. Just relax for me, relax. Let's come forward together. Come forward. Very good. Come to the other side. Same thing. Into my hand. Just relax for me. Come forward. Just relax, relax. Very good.